how it looks. Pattu pink with the violet blue color combination. So this is the blouse. This is the blouse. You'll be getting it in the violet color background on the gold zari. So this is how it looks. This is completely a traditional Kanchipuram kind of sari. The color combination, if you see, so this is how it looks when you drape it. Pattu pink with the violet color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. The price is 1950. The last one in this catalog, this is also the best selling sari. So this is in the traditional very traditional yellow and blue color combination. So yeah, this is in the perfect yellow and blue color, yellow and red color combination, which is like pasupu kunkam combination, the perfect one. This you can use it for the brides also can wear this sari. I mean, like, if you are looking in this price range, this is how it looks. This is how it looks when you drape it. The price is 1950. This is in the perfect yellow and the red color combination. Okay, I'll just show you the design. This is the border of the sari. This is the border, light red color. This is border of the sari, and this is the body of the sari. Okay, this is how it looks. The pallu, you'll be having it in the red color. So this is the pallu, and the blouse also you'll be getting it in the contrast. So this is the blouse. Nice. This is the blouse you'll be getting. So this is the body of the blouse, and this is the border for the blouse. You'll be getting nice elbow sleeves because you have a very big border. So this is the blouse for the sari, and this is how it looks. The price is 1950. This is also a very beautiful piece, and I have only one piece in this. Okay, with this we have completed Kanchipuram fancy pattu sarees, which are in the price range 1950, and we have some more sarees in the Kuppadam. These are Kanchi Kuppadam sarees. So these are also in the same price range. Yeah, these are also in the same price range. We have seen this kind of sarees before as well. So these are some more colors that are left in this catalog. So this is in the pink and the green color combination. This comes with the body. You will get it with the checks. I have a reference image as well for this sari. You can just ping me. So for this model we have a reference image. So the body of the sari comes in the checks. This is also very beautiful pretty pink color with the green color combination. And for this is not plain pallu. Pallu you will be getting it in the nice peacock color pallu. Peacock design pallu you will be getting. Blouse also nice shiny green you will be getting. So this is completely a contrast green color blouse with the pink color combination. Okay, the prices, these are all of the same price range. Okay, this is how it looks with the nice gold border on both the sides. So all these are priced at 1950. Okay, nice baby nice dark shade of baby pink color with the green color combination. Next is mustard yellow with the blue color combination. This looks very elegant. So these are a very hit designs in the Kanchi Kuppadam style sarees. So this comes with the big checks all over the saree, big boxes checks with the violet blue color. Blouse better side. Blouse also you will be getting it in a not plain blouse. So this is a shiny blue you will be getting. So this have a golden shine with the blue color background. So yeah, this is how it looks. These are very pretty. This is mustard yellow color. This is nice mustard yellow color with the violet blue combination. You will be getting a complete contrast blouse for this. Yeah, this is how it looks. These are also very pretty. So the before one which I have shown is a different pattern, and this is a different pattern. Please don't do compare with for the cloth quality. So these are Kanchi Kuppadam sarees. So those are Kanchipuram pattu sarees. So this is how it looks, mustard with the violet blue color combination. So this is the pallu with the nice beautiful tassels you will be getting at the end of the saree. Okay, this is how it looks. The price is 1950. Very beautiful mustard yellow with the violet blue color combination. This is Rani pink with the black color combination. So this is also one of the rare and the good color combination. See, This is also Rani pink with the nice golden zari in the border with the black color combination. All over the saree you will be getting small checks. So this is how it looks. It looks absolutely elegant. Once you wear this saree, it's white flower. So if you see the blouse of the saree is very pretty, because on the black background you will be having the pink color shade, so it looks like a complete soft silk pattu. For this contrast blouse, it looks very good when you stitch it over this saree. So this is in the Rani pink with the black color combination. Okay, yes, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 1950. So this is the pallu you will be getting with the tassels. This is the pallu with full gold zari weaving, Rani pink with the black color combination. The price is 1950. Hi sir. Hi. Hi Gautam sir. Gautam. Is it blue? Anand blue. This is Anand blue with the black color combination. I'll just show you fast. So this is also very very beautiful color combination, blue with the black. Better. So for this also you will be getting a very beautiful blouse. So this is a contrast. If you see, it is a combination of blue and black color. In this green you will be getting. So it's completely a contrast blouse you will be getting for this. So this is how it looks. The blouse with the saree, very beautiful one. And for the border. So this is the border for the blouse you will be getting. This is Anand blue with the black color combination. The price is 1950. Okay, this is the pallu you will be getting, and with the beautiful, very beautiful tassels. So this is the pallu and the tassels. Okay. So this is in the little green pattu color. This is in the little green color with the violet blue color combination. Okay. So yeah, this is also a dual shade color, so you'll have a shine on this. So we have made gowns also with this. If you want, you can order it as a gown also. So this is the blouse. All the sarees which I am showing in this live show are for 1950. Okay, so this is the blouse you will be getting, and this is the saree. This is the little green with the violet blue color combination. This is the pallu. This is the pallu with tassels you'll be getting. The price is 1950. This is dark Rani pink with the green color combination. Pink with green is one of the hit combination that people do like. In this also I have a very limited pieces in each of the color. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This, for this itself you will be getting a big border. You can wear it on single pallu like this, or you can drape it as well. If you feel the border is more, you can just tuck it inside and you can wear it this way. This is nice magenta Rani pink, nice beautiful color filling Rani pink. This is with the green color combination. This is the pallu you will be getting. Pallu with the leaf design with the tassels. Yeah, pallu with the leaf design and the tassels. This is a very beautiful color. People who love this color might pick it. This is magenta Rani pink. So this is how it looks. The price is 1950. Blouse, blouse you will be getting a pattu green color blouse, shiny blouse you will be getting for this. So this is how it looks. The price is 1950. So this is in blue and yellow. This is another color combination that is out of a gold based zari. So this is out of a gold and silver mixed zari. So you can see, so gold lines and silver lines you will be getting. So this is how it looks. On both the sides you will be having the same border. Blue with the black color combination, you have another option. So on this looks very elegant if you drape it or put it on the single layer also. Yeah, this is how it looks. Blue with the black color combination. This is with the silver and gold zari mix. Blouse. Blouse is very beautiful one. Blouse you will be getting it in the ash gray color, which is a combination of black. See how beautiful the blouse is with the small border. So this is the body of the blouse. You will be getting it in the ash gray with the black color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. The price is 1950. All the sarees which I am showing in this live show, this is the second live show. We are continuing from the first one. Very color. Yeah, all the sarees which I am showing, all the sarees are for 1950. So this is another very beautiful color combination. This is one of the most best sold color combination because this is a unique one. In the turquoise blue color, this is a darker shade you can take. It contrasts with the red color. So yes, this is how it looks. Blue with the red color combination. Blouse. The blouse is also very good for this. You will be getting it in the pattu shade. You can see this is also a dual shade blouse. So in the red color combination, you will be getting the blouse, pattu red blouse, and this is the body of the saree. So this is how it looks. The pallu is in the red golden saree weaving with the tassels. All the sarees for this you will be getting the tassels. So this is how it looks. Wow. The price is 1950. Okay, this is how it looks. This is one more in the Rani pink, dark Rani pink with the green color combination. Before saree which we have seen, that is in the magenta Rani pink with the green color combination. This is perfect Rani pink. This is Rani pink with the green color combination. Achava. Inka comments pedtane undu. Okay, Rani pink with the green color combination. Wow, it's really very good when you drape it. So this is also a very perfect and very ethnic color combination. Rani pink, bright Rani pink with the green color combination. You will be getting a green pattu blouse. So particularly the blouse of the sari, it is very soft and it is very nice to wear it on. It will not be a pricking sensation on your body. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. These are all cotton silk. These are not pure silk. These are cotton silk Kanchi Kuppadam sarees. Okay, the price is 1950. Perfect bright Rani pink with the green color combination. So this is the pallu you will be getting with the tassels. So this is the pallu. Okay, this is how it looks. Bro. So this is in the dark baby pink with the violet color combination. Dark Rani pink, dark baby pink this is with the violet color combination you will be having. This is how it looks. Blouse. So this is the ink blue. This is the same ink blue violet blouse. You will be getting it as a contrast. With this is a dark baby pink color. All the sarees are for 1950, which I am showing, and all are we have it in limited pieces only. Please, whoever wants to book, please do message me immediately, and I will check all the messages for the previous video as well once I am done with this video. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Dark baby pink with the violet blue color combination, and this is the pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting. Blouse chusam kada? Yeah. And this is the last saree of the video. So this is also a dual tone saree. It's a mix of blue and green color combination with the pink border. Blouse pettasi. So Damayanti color, correct? Okay, this is Damayanti blue. Okay, this is the last saree of the video. This is Damayanti blue with the pink color combination. Okay, this border you will get it for the hands. This is how it looks, and this is also a rare color combination as well. So Damayanti blue with the pink color combination. This is the pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting with the tassels. So it's very beautiful. So this is the last saree of the video, and unfortunately we have stopped the first live video, and who have only joined this video, please do check out the video which I have posted on the IGTV as well, which has Kanchipuram Pattu sarees. Hi Vaishu, ఇది అయిపోయాక మాట్లాడతా. that video also please do check out. So in that we have a very beautiful collection of sarees, and this saree is for live too. Please do watch both the videos which are posted on IGTV. And yeah, hope you all like the collections. So I'm just checking for some any questions or anything. I think I have already almost posted all the colors, or I've shown all the colors I have covered. Whoever are asking for some particular color, please do check out both the videos. So definitely you will get the color of your choice. Hope the collection is good and people have enjoyed. If any queries, please do ask me. For 2 minutes we'll answer some queries if anybody has, or if anybody wants to know. So these 2 live videos which we have done, now I'll be posting on the IGTV. One video is already up on IGTV. So whoever books from this live show, you'll be getting free shipping. The price of all the sarees which I have shown in this live show and the previous live show that happened just 10-15 minutes back, all the sarees are for 1950. Okay, so many messages I'm getting from hi akka, hi. A very big hi to everyone, and thank you so much for joining my live show and supporting me. And yes, any more questions? And we are planning a very good gowns sale, party wear gown sale on coming Saturday. I'll be informing. I'll be posting the update or regarding when is the sale. I'll be posting. Please stay tuned for that.
I like your ring, hair ring.
I should. Any more questions, or we can wind up the session? Yes, we'll finish it up here. I have some messages to attend as well, who have messaged. Manasa Reddy or anybody, whoever is messaging, please do message me on my Instagram inbox. Okay, and we'll wind up the session here. And thank you so much for joining both the live sessions who have joined, apart from the technical problem. And thank you so much. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye.